So let us understand about MongoDB now. So now we are going to start actual things about MongoDB. All right. So let's understand now about MongoDB. MongoDB is an open source database. It has been developed by Tangent. It's a company name for a wide variety of applications. It is an agile database that allows schema to change quickly as application evolve. We will see how it provides dynamic schema. It provides scalability, high performance, and availability. Also, it leverages in-memory computing. MongoDB native replication and automated failover enable enterprise-grade reliability and operational flexibility. So automatic failover and automatic failover happens. Now, let's understand about this slide. So what's happening nowadays? We can see here new kind of applications are coming. Different kind of requirement, different kind of applications, and then different methodologies is followed by different group of peoples. Also different kind of data is getting generated, and the rate of generation of data is very huge. Different kind of architectures are coming, and then different kind of data types like XML, audio, video, and different kind of formats are there. So those kind of activities are happening nowadays. So MongoDB has been designed to tackle down this kind of evolutions. So at high level, what is MongoDB? It's open source, document-oriented storage, object-oriented, written in C++. This is good point, guys. Written in C++. This is very easy to use. Full index support. So this is having very beautiful index support relative to any other NoSQL databases. We will see this. Then it provides replication and high availability. Auto sharding, we will understand what is that. Sharding is nothing but partitioning. We will try to understand that. Easy query. Writing query on MongoDB database is very simple. It provides native MapReduce aggregation framework to process your data, to aggregate your data. It provides GridFS to process your big files or big data files. And you will get a very good support from community. So these are the key points. Sachin is asking, please explain more about MapReduce. So this has been covered in aggregation framework, Sachin. So I will park your question, and it will be covered in module 6 along with indexes and aggregation framework. So at high level, it's MapReduce is a paradigm, or it's a kind of framework to process your huge amount of data or to aggregate your huge amount of data. So at high level, did you get answer, Sachin? All right, thank you. So Saurabh has asked question about the GridFS. GridFS is API, and we will learn about this GridFS in next upcoming sessions. But at high level, this is mainly used for processing your data whose size is more than 16 MB. If you have bigger files like in GB or in TBs, then you can use GridFS to process your files. Now let's see key MongoDB features. So it is very powerful, easy to use, speed is very nice, and easily we can scale this up, and very much flexible. Now it is having various drivers to support it, is having integration or capability to connect with Hadoop, provides a native MapReduce and aggregation framework, very good in indexes, built-in replication for high availability, auto sharding for horizontal scalability, and JSON data model with dynamic schemas. So these are some beautiful features related with MongoDB. Now let's understand about the infrastructure, how it works. So let's say if you have infrastructure, it could be any operating system or virtualized system or a storage network. Then what do? Probably you need to have one database. It could be RDBMS also, or you can use your Hadoop ecosystem or data warehouse system. So if you guys could remember, RDBMS we use for online data, right? Same way we can use this MongoDB also for online data. But what about this data warehouse? This is mainly for offline data. These are not for online data. So then you may have some data management tool, and then on top of that you may have some applications like analytical tool, BI, probably ClickView, Tableau, or some other BI tools which may get connected with the systems. And then you can have management and monitoring tools to monitor your infrastructure. And then you may have some security and auditing tools. So that's how it looks like, guys. Just you need to concentrate here. We can use MongoDB at the place of online data also in some cases, in some use cases. If you could see here offline data, to process your offline or batch process data, you can use Hadoop or data warehouse system. So this slide I will refer in module 7 while learning about integration of MongoDB and then Hadoop. So just keep in mind, guys, about this slide. Okay, Ganen Rao is asking, can we have web application on top of MongoDB? Yes, Ganen, you can have web application, you can have mobile application, you can have n number of different kind of application on top of MongoDB. Is that clear? So I just remember this slide. We will refer in module 7 once we will compare about this MongoDB and then Hadoop. So good question. Which kind of data can be processed with MongoDB? Choose from below option. Online data, offline data, or both? Fantastic, both. Fantastic. So the answer is both. Both kind of data we can process. Now, let's talk about MongoDB licensing. So as I said, MongoDB is an open source database. So licensing falls under two categories: free software foundation and then commercial license. So under free software foundation, you will not have all features related with that. So let us see what all the features is there with enterprise and which is not there with this free foundation. So, sorry guys. So if you could see here, MongoDB Enterprise, it provides certification, security features, management tools, and some software integrations. Just I have highlighted here, MongoDB Enterprise includes advanced security, management, certified OS support, enterprise software integration, and on-demand training. But these things will be not there along with your free foundation. So here you can refer, I have listed it out. So these are the things which is extra in MongoDB Enterprise. So what is that, guy? Advanced security with Kerberos, on-premise management, SNMP support, OS certification, private on-demand training. Now, what all the use cases are there of MongoDB? So guys, you can see here, you can use in mobile and social infrastructure. You can use for big data management. You can use for content management. you can use for customer data management, and also you can use for data hub. So this is the stuff which I have used for content management, and it is best suited. So let's say if you wanted to manage information about your products in retail, or let's say if you have a website and you wanted to publish all your product catalog, digital coupons, and so on, in those cases it works very nicely. So we'll see. So here Annie is asking, can you give example of big data? So let us see Annie's answer. Facebook ingests 500 terabyte of new data every day. Second one is a Boeing 737 will generate 240 terabytes of flight data during a single flight across US. So all right guys, so let us see a few MongoDB clients who usage MongoDB. You can see here big clients are there: MetLife, McAfee, CMS, MTV, Foursquare. Huge list is there. You can refer MongoDB site and then see. Just I have mentioned few of them. eBay is also using ADP. This is a very nice company who provides payroll management system and other stuff. IBIBO, Justin, and CNN also uses that. Let us see about the industries. So these are the industries who usage MongoDB: financial services, government, media and entertainment, telecommunication, retail, and healthcare. So guys, I have used here retail, media and entertainment. So it works well with content management system. So, and rest you can try with your domain also. So for financial services, various kind of activity you can perform. Here this just we have mentioned for government, what all the things, what all the departments they are using MongoDB. In healthcare, it is again very popular database. And in media and entertainment, for content management and delivery, user data management, digital asset management, mobile and social apps. So again, this is very important product for media and entertainment. In retail also, to provide digital coupons, real-time price optimization, and product catalog, rich product catalog you can use. So these are some use cases. Is this clear, guys? Use cases are clear? Just confirm, guys. So basically you can say for content management system, for data hub, for logging you can use. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. All right. So now let's understand about MongoDB tools. So for example, let's say if you will download MongoDB, so with MongoDB package or with MongoDB software, what all the tools will be downloaded? So let us see. These are the tools which will be automatically come along with your MongoDB component, MongoDB package software. So each and every tools is having different kind of usage. We will see. So I have divided here into 6 portions. Those tools. So this is core processes, and under core processes, MongoD, MongoS, and Mongo Shell comes. So MongoD is our database processing, and then MongoS is a query router. This will be mainly used for sharded cluster. We will see. So at this stage, you don't have to worry about this, tools name. We will use all tools whatever is mentioned here in upcoming sessions. At initial stage, just you have to keep in mind about this core processes, and under core processes, 3 processes are processes comes: MongoD, MongoS, and Mongo. MongoD is mainly responsible for database activity, so this will be mainly database. So, and MongoS will be query router, or this will be mainly used for sharded. And this Mongo is a Mongo shell. This is a client. So at the initial stages, you have to understand MongoD is your database and Mongo is a client. So at this stage, we will use only these two things, MongoD as a database, Mongo as a client. So we will run this process and we'll see. For Windows service, it is MongoD.exe and MongoS.exe you can install. And for binary import and export, Mongo dump is there, Mongo restore is there, BSON dump, Mongo upload. For data import and export activities, Mongo import tool is there, Mongo export tool is there. For diagnostic, monitoring your database, Mongo stack will be there, Mongo top, Mongo sniff, and Mongo perf will be there. Grid files, to manage your big files or large files more than 16 MB, you can, or for unstructured data, you can use GridFS API, which is Mongo files. So I have questions from Srinivas. He has asked question, where is MongoS used? Is it in enterprise version? No, Srinivas, it comes with normal package, and these are the tools. Once you have sharding done with your cluster, then MongoS will be used at the place of Mongo. So if sharding is enabled, then at the place of Mongo, MongoS will behave as a client, but mainly the role of MongoS is a query routing. Did I answer your question? These are the tools which is available with your community edition also. Sudhakar is asking, what is diagnostic tools? So let's say if you wanted to monitor your database, you use those tools to monitor. Srinivas is asking, are all these commands applicable to both free and paid version? Yes, Srinivas, this is available with free and enterprise both editions. These are tools which comes with MongoDB software package. All right. So now the question is, which binary do you use for data import and export? Guys, just now we saw. So it's Mongo import and Mongo export to use importing and exporting data. Which binary do we use for backup and recovery? Mongo dump and Mongo restore. Just now we saw. Which binary do we use to process large files? Guys, you have to answer this because 3 times I have highlighted this point. Not upload strength. It's GridFS, Mongo files. Yes, Saurabh has answered and Apsar has answered, Krishna has answered. Yeah, fantastic guys. Very nice attempt. So it's Mongo files or GridFS API. Now let us understand about MongoDB database. So as I said, MongoDB is a processes which is responsible for Mongo database. So let's say if you have to say, I want to start my database, what you will start? MongoDB process. So let's summarize this. So MongoDB is the primary daemon process for MongoDB database. Database is a physical container for collections. So if you could remember our traditional system, inside the database we used to have tables. So here in this case, inside the MongoDB database you will have collections. So at the place of tables we will say collections. So MongoDB database is a container for collections. And then inside the collections you will have documents. We'll see. So let's say this is a MongoDB database. You may have this collection, collection 2, collection 3, collection 4, collection 5, and so on. So you can have n number of collections inside your database. Now let's say if we talk about the documents, so this is your MongoDB database. Inside that you will have collections, various collections. Inside the collection you will have documents. Now what will be document we will see. Is this clear guys still here? I would request quick confirmation from 2-3 guys so that I can understand everybody is on same page. Yeah, fantastic. I got affirmative answer from various people. Now, documents, sample documents looks like this. So don't worry at this stage. I will make sure everybody will be able to write document, complex as much as we can do. Okay, Divishri is saying a bit faster. All right, Divishri. So let me explain once again. So we have questions from Surendra Kumar. He is saying, is document like a Word or PDF? Yes, those are unstructured documents, but here we are not referring document like Word or PDF. We are saying document which follows JSON format. And we will see what is JSON format and how it looks like. Is that fine at this stage, guys? Let me proceed and I will make sure that everybody will understand what is document, how it looks like, how can we create a complex document, and how to use those documents in MongoDB. So just guys, just at high level, documents will look like this. Let me proceed and I will make sure that everybody will understand how to create a document. Now let's analyze some terminology between RDBMS and MongoDB. Just compare. We say database in RDBMS. Same thing we say in MongoDB. For table we say collection. For tuple or row we say document. For column attribute or variable we say field. For table joining we say embedding and linking documents, but there is no native support for join. There is no join at all. There is a way around it to perform this embedding and linking documents. So guys, I will show you while creating a schema. Primary key here, default underscore ID is there. Just keep in mind, guys, this what happens is if you will insert any document, automatically MongoDB attach one underscore ID field that is unique across your collection. Even though apart from that, you can define underscore ID as a unique value also. It may have number or character value in it. If we talk about the database server, in Oracle or in Oracle we used to say Oracle or MySQLD in MySQL. Here we say MongoDB. In client Oracle we say SQL plus. In MySQL we say MySQL. And here we say Mongo. So MongoDB is a database, Mongo is a client.